There is a category of software that is completely free, legal to download, and open source. Yet the moment you start using it, it feels like you've stepped into a hidden side of technology most people never see. These tools are not secret military programs or expensive corporate products. In fact, many of them can be installed within minutes on almost any Linux system. Despite being freely available, they are extremely powerful and are used every day by cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, penetration testers, network engineers, and system administrators around the world. The same tools that help companies secure their infrastructure can also be abused if systems are poorly protected. The first tool is Nmap, short for Network Mapper, one of the most important reconnaissance tools in cybersecurity. Before anyone can secure or attack a system, they first need information. They need to know what devices exist on a network, which ports are open, what services are running, and sometimes even what operating system the target is using. Nmap is designed to gather exactly that information very quickly. Imagine Ethan recently deployed a Linux server at the IP address 10.18.7.52. He believes the machine is secure because he configured a firewall and installed updates. Meanwhile, Ryan opens a terminal on his testing machine and launches a simple Nmap scan against Ethan's server. Within seconds, Nmap begins sending specially crafted packets and analyzing the responses. The scan quickly reveals that port 22 is open for SSH remote access, port 80 is running an Apache web server, and port 3306 is exposing a MySQL database service. Ryan did not bypass authentication or exploit any vulnerability. He simply asked the server questions, and the server answered automatically. This is what makes Nmap so powerful. It gives defenders and attackers a detailed map of a target system before anything else happens. Ethical hackers and security teams use Nmap to identify weaknesses in their own infrastructure before malicious actors find them first. Large organizations often use Nmap to scan entire corporate networks containing thousands of devices in only a few minutes. The second tool is Wireshark, the world's most popular packet analyzer and traffic inspection tool. While Nmap focuses on discovering systems, Wireshark focuses on understanding the communication happening between them. Every time devices communicate over a network, they exchange packets containing requests, responses, messages, images, login credentials, and other forms of data. Wireshark captures those packets and displays them in a readable format. Imagine Sophia logs into an old company website that still uses plain HTTP instead of HTTPS encryption. As she enters her username and password, Ryan is connected to the same local network and monitoring traffic using Wireshark. Because the connection is not encrypted, Sophia's credentials appear directly inside the captured traffic as readable text. Ryan did not hack her device or compromise the website. He simply listened to the traffic moving across the network. This is exactly why HTTPS encryption became essential across the modern internet. Encryption transforms readable data into scrambled ciphertext that cannot easily be understood by anyone intercepting it. On properly encrypted HTTPS connections, Wireshark still captures packets, but their contents appear unreadable without the encryption keys. The first time many people use Wireshark, they are shocked by how much information travels across networks every second. It provides an almost invisible view into the digital conversations happening between devices around the world. The third tool is Hydra, one of the most famous password auditing and credential testing tools in cybersecurity. Hydra specializes in testing login credentials against online services at very high speed. It supports services such as SSH, FTP, RDP, databases, and web login systems. Imagine Ryan discovers that Ethan's server allows SSH remote access. Instead of searching for software vulnerabilities, he decides to test the strength of Ethan's password security. Ryan provides Hydra with a username and a massive password list containing millions of commonly used passwords leaked from previous breaches. Hydra automatically tests password combinations using multiple parallel connections. Instead of manually typing passwords one by one, Hydra can attempt hundreds or even thousands of logins per minute. After a short period of time, Hydra discovers that Ethan used a weak password, such as Summer2025. Suddenly, Ryan gains access to the server without needing advanced hacking techniques. This demonstrates one of the biggest weaknesses in cybersecurity. Human-created passwords are often predictable. Many users choose simple words, dates, names, or common patterns that automated tools can guess very quickly. Hydra is not magic. It simply automates repetitive login attempts at machine speed. This is why modern administrators implement account lockouts, multi-factor authentication, rate limiting, and SSH key authentication to defend against automated attacks. The fourth tool is John the Ripper, one of the most respected password auditing and hash cracking tools ever created. While Hydra attacks live login systems, John the Ripper focuses on password hashes stored in databases or operating system files. Modern systems do not usually store passwords in plain text. Instead, they store cryptographic hashes, which are mathematical representations of passwords generated using one-way algorithms. In theory, hashes cannot simply be reversed back into passwords. However, weak passwords can still be guessed. Imagine Ryan already has administrative access to Ethan's Linux server and copies the /etc/shadow file, which stores password hashes for local user accounts. Ryan transfers the file to his own machine and launches John the Ripper using a large password dictionary. John begins hashing candidate passwords from the word list and comparing them against the stolen hashes. When a generated hash matches one stored in the shadow file, the original password is identified. Within seconds, several weak passwords are cracked, including passwords like welcome123, football2025, and QWERTY789. John the Ripper does not decrypt hashes directly. Instead, it repeatedly guesses passwords until the generated hash matches the target. Modern password cracking systems can test billions of guesses extremely quickly using GPUs and specialized hardware. This is why long, random, and unique passwords are critical for modern security. The fifth and final tool is Aircrack-ng, a powerful suite of wireless network auditing tools used to analyze Wi-Fi security. Aircrack-ng became famous for exposing weaknesses in older wireless encryption standards, such as WEP, and later demonstrating attacks against poorly secured WPA and WPA2 networks. Imagine Ryan places a wireless adapter into monitor mode and launches AeroDump-N J, one of the tools included in the Aircrack-ng suite. Instantly, every nearby Wi-Fi network appears on the screen, along with detailed information such as signal strength, wireless channels, network names, and unique hardware identifiers called BSS-IDs. Ryan can observe dozens of nearby networks without connecting to any of them. If Ryan is performing an authorized security assessment, he can target a specific network, capture a WPA handshake when a device connects to Wi-Fi, and later test the captured handshake against massive password dictionaries. If the Wi-Fi password is weak, such as home Wi-Fi 2023 or mypassword123, it may eventually be cracked. However, if the password is long, random, and securely generated, the attack quickly becomes impractical. Aircrack-ng clearly demonstrates why strong Wi-Fi passwords are extremely important. Poorly secured wireless networks can become entry points into entire organizations. The tools themselves are not evil, they are simply extremely capable. Like many forms of technology, their impact depends entirely on how they are used. Ethical hackers and security professionals use these tools to identify weaknesses, strengthen defenses, and protect organizations from real attacks. Malicious actors may use the exact same tools for illegal purposes. That dual nature is what makes cybersecurity so unique. The same software that can expose vulnerabilities can also help fix them before attackers ever get the chance.